Hey friends, Matthew of Mixed Domestic here to show you a quick unboxing of some goodies I got from Hubie Yarn and Toni Lipsey of TL Yarn Craft. Her new Happy Place yarn launched officially September 1st. I've already started crocheting with it and I am absolutely in love. So I wanted to share with you an unboxing where I captured an intimate conversation with my daughter Helena, who's 10, just sharing her why I love the yarn and why I love Toni. Check it out. Gorgeous. Oh my god.
Did you get this as like a present?
So, actually one of my mutuals, to like an internet friend, her name's Toni Lipsey, and she did this collaboration project with Hubie Yarn, which is a yarn company that she reached out and asked if I would help promote it. And you know, I don't do this a lot, but this time, because I really love Toni, who's the crocheter, I've learned a lot from her, like how to do Tunisian crochet. And anytime I have trouble with the stitch, I like get her tutorials. She's like the best of the best. So I was like, yeah, let me help her promote this. And so this is a box of her yarn with Hubie, spelled H-O-B-B-I-I, pronounced Hubie. And it came with some other stuff, and these are all my favorite colors. And it's a natural yarn, so it's not synthetic, how some of the yarn is. You know how synthetic fibers, they cause harm to the environment, etc. So I'm trying to use natural fibers. This is, just so that I'm correct, I'm not making it up because we know what my brain's like. It's 50% cotton, 50% wool, and it's so soft. Yeah, so soft. I didn't realize she had so much variety. Wow, what a gorgeous, gorgeous yarn collection. So I'm able to finally talk about it. So I'm gonna open all of this and show it to my people, and I'm recording it now. It's cool your voice is in the video a little bit. So to chat about it. I love her. I love her. So this is handbag handles for rivets. This appears to be leather. In a neutral and a black situation, and I actually have made a bag using one of Toni's patterns, and it's my favorite crochet project, so I think this all will become a bag. I'm gonna check and see if Toni has any other patterns. If I find them, I'll link to this. But yeah, these are top quality. So let me put this to the side, and then aww. Shelly can wear a flare. Yeah, I support this. Hurts. Oh, stitch markers, Hubie stitch markers. Ah! Rainbow goodness. You want to see? Oh my god, what if those are earrings? Could you imagine?
Oh, I could.
Super cute, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Swedish fish. Do you like Swedish fish?
Yes, we do.
You want it?
Yeah.
Cute scissors. Oh, I can put my things in that. I mean, that makes sense, right? Like that.
Yeah.
Oh, this goes in there. Does it fit? I don't know, probably not. Hello, everybody. How are you doing today? My name is Hubie Organizer. I love to eat yarn. No, I will not eat that yarn. Gold colors. So these are the details. Here it's a light, it's a 3. There's a pair. So there's a solid and then like striated version of the same color. So let me pair them up so we can look at the difference. Boom, 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 boom. So this is the mustard and it's reading true to color. And this is the complement. It's like a heather. So there's like a pure color and then a heather color. Wow. It's so soft. Okay, so there's that one. And then this is like, it's not really a beige, it's like a wheat. Right?
Yeah. A bit of a tan, kind of.
Yeah, like a light tan. It's really a beautiful, sophisticated color, of course, because it's Tony. And then there is the heather. That one.
Yeah, so it seems like the heather and these are mostly like white or like
Yeah, the heather usually has white in it. Any kind of heather, it has a white in it. So these two, blink. These two go together?
They do.
These are both the heather, I think. Can't tell.
They are both the heather, I think.
Are these the same color?
They're like very slightly different. Like this one.
Yeah, this one's a lighter one, this one's a darker.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's okay. And these two. So yeah, this one, it's like a denim. Ah, like a blue-gray denim in the heather a bit. Beautiful, beautiful. This is like a navy blue. And this one, they both are heathery. This one is pure. Let's see if they are the same lot or if they are different. Yeah, see, they are different lots. So these are intentionally different. Oh, the subtlety. Look at that. It's got a little bit more pigment, a little less pigment. Color 20. Yeah, these two go together. Color 20, color 20. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Happy place. Tony, I'm so proud of you. This is so amazing. Everyone, check out this yarn. Great creator, great company, high quality products, definitely affordable. And this is 100% natural. It's a 50-50 cotton wool blend. And the feel and hand of it is just luxury. It's absolute luxury. This would be great for blankets. It would be great for apparel, especially. And I'm probably gonna find a bag. But wow, I don't know. Maybe I'll finally make a granny square cardigan. I have no idea. But y'all definitely check this out. With the Happy Place yarn, I've already started crocheting the Tobago bag, which is one of Tony's patterns. I'll link it below. But wow, it's a natural yarn, and look at the colors, and look at how it stitches up. This is definitely gonna be one of my go-tos. So to check out the yarn for yourself, there's an affiliate link below. And hopefully you can find your happy place. Until next time.